everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's completely transforming the world of logistics: warehouse automation. If you've ever wondered how the biggest companies keep up with millions of orders without breaking a sweat, you're about to find out. Here's the reality: warehouses everywhere face the same headaches: slow processes, high costs, and those frustrating human errors that keep adding up. But here's the good news: warehouse automation is changing the game entirely. So, what exactly are we talking about when we say warehouse automation? Simply put, it's using smart technology and systems to supercharge those old-school warehouse operations. We're talking better efficiency, pinpoint accuracy, and costs that actually make sense. Let's break down the key players that are revolutionizing the industry right now. First up, warehouse management systems. You'll hear them called WMS for short. Think of this as the brain of your operation. It handles everything from inventory tracking to order processing, picking, packing, and getting products out the door. Next, let's talk about the cool stuff: robotics and advanced material handling equipment. Picture automated guided vehicles cruising through aisles, robotic arms doing the heavy lifting, and yes, even drones flying around your warehouse. These machines tackle the repetitive grunt work and move products with incredible precision. And then there's the tech that keeps everything visible: barcodes and RFID, which stands for radio frequency identification. These tools give you real-time inventory tracking, so you always know exactly what you have and where it is. Now, for the exciting part: what can automation actually do for your business? You'll experience a massive boost in efficiency and productivity across the board. Your operational costs? They'll drop as you cut down on labor expenses and eliminate costly mistakes. Your team can leave the tedious manual work behind and focus on what actually moves the needle. You'll maximize every square foot of your warehouse with smarter storage solutions and optimized layouts. And the best part? Faster, more accurate orders mean customers who keep coming back for more. Ready to get started? Here's your roadmap. Start by taking a close look at your current operations. Where are the bottlenecks? What's costing you the most time and money? Then, bring in the experts. Talk to automation specialists who can help you craft a strategy that fits your unique needs. Here's a pro tip: think modular and scalable. You don't have to transform everything overnight. Focus on flexible software that speaks your industry's language and can grow right alongside your business. Look for comprehensive solutions that cover order management, inventory control, fulfillment, and shipping automation all in one place. Trust us, getting your software foundation right is the smartest first move you can make. The bottom line: warehouse automation isn't just a trendy buzzword. It's the blueprint for the future of logistics, and that future is happening right now. And that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to see this, and don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing logistics insights. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.